I'm blessed about this opportunity. My name is Darius Walker. I am from Augusta, Georgia. I am excited to go wherever, the job is needed. Paying bills was a big issue, and so I needed to increase income, increase my knowledge and pick up something different. I see myself as a tower tech, fully prepared, ready to work, also more knowledgeable, and an additional skill trait, because now I know how to climb.
We're hundreds of thousands of jobs short, and they're good paying jobs. So if you don't mind working with your hands and you're not afraid of the elements or heights, there's a great deal of opportunity. This industry is just going to continue to evolve.
My name is Carlos Lopez. I'm from Mexico. Right now I feel excited. I feel good that Learning Alliance is doing so much for me. I'm gonna have more financial freedom to do what I like doing, and to get more skills, which I've been craving to get,
What we do at Collab first is we work in conjunction with Learning Alliance, and we make sure that every student that graduates Learning Alliance is being given an opportunity in the industry. The goal for us specifically is to line these graduating students up with opportunities in the telecommunications industry.
We were able to tap into a resource that has been in existence forever. If you're not afraid of heights, if you're not afraid to work long days, hard hours, in the elements, and show up on time, listen twice as much as you speak, if you're able to do all those things, there's a career for you, not a job, a real career.
My name is Brandon Thomas. I'm from Birmingham, Alabama, and I'm the placement specialist at Collab First. Typically, we can find employment for these students within 3 weeks of their graduation. It's really nice for them to know that they have a career waiting for them as soon as they get out. And I really do appreciate every day that I get to work and try to help these people.
This industry is very good at not looking at you based on your skin color. They're really looking at you as, we need you. The industry needs a skilled workforce. They don't care your sex, your age, your color. They just want a good, skilled workforce. And you're not gonna be $40,000, $50,000, $60,000 in debt. You're not gonna waste 4 years of your life. So it's a perfect blend where we're taking underserved communities, bringing them into a great career that automatically puts them into the middle class. Look, if you were not great at school, it's okay. You don't have to flip burgers at $10 an hour. You don't have to sacrifice your ability to earn a good income just because you don't feel like you're college material. It's okay.
My name is Darius Walker.
Rodolfo Pacheco.
My name is Julian Camacho.
Taylor Howery.
Luis Morales.
Quintavion Fowler.
Jesus Vargas. Carlos Lopez.
Hi, my name is Rashana Loster.
And I'm here for a better opportunity.
To better myself and to get a new skill.
And I'm here to start a new chapter in my life.
And I'm here to learn something new.
You're chasing a new career path.
Building my life.
Pursue a better life for my family.
And I am here to prosper.